Welcome back to my channel. This is the 5th of September and I am here with my unboxing of Diamond Art Club. It is a horse. It is Rain. It's called Rainbows and Starlight, and I decided to call this horse Rain. It is going in our community village that Lazy Retired Granny has. You can see on the box part of it, but anyway, I have to do this fairly quick because I have to call my husband back. So here's the toolkit. My husband is on lunch break, so anyway, and you know what comes in there. This tray is rather nice. You know, everybody has been talking about it, and I'm like, my toolkit has sat outside for a rather lengthy time because I have been at work. I'm actually home early because I had to go to the bank. Okay, and then this is it's rather warm. And then this is the stickers. Okay. I don't want to do this too quickly because, you know. Okay, I guess I gotta turn that over. Anyway, I'll put that back later. Okay. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, it's a trading card. Okay, I'm gonna leave that in there. I like those boxes. Okay. Smitty is a little put out with me. He does not have any mail. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna roll it this way. Oh, she's beautiful. She's not very big. She has 74 colors. And yeah, I don't know. She's 22 by 26 inches or 55.6 centimeters by 66 centimeters. And I think I'm going to take the phone. I know, sorry for the finger here, and I'm going to so that is my horse. Let me get you down here where so I don't have any ABs. Oh, yes, I do. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs and 2 that say Z. I don't know what those mean, but y'all don't look at my Missy 4, but she's beautiful. I have another one, but I'm going to stop this and call my husband back, and then I'll record the other one. All right, so I'm back. So here is the painting, and I just think she is beautiful. And when I saw it, I had to have it. I had to have it. So And I'm not going to pull the drills out because I can't ever get them back in the bag like they go. But there's every kind of blue and pink and purple, yellow that you can imagine. There's no black. There's no 310. There's some green in there. Just some very beautiful colors. And so let me get you down here where you can see that face. And so I guess I'm this beautiful girl right here. So, you know, okay, you know. So anyway, that's that one. I'm going to stop this recording and then I'm going to bring you back and unbox the other painting. Okay, so this next one, I'm sorry, you'll have to see my hands. I'm trying to make this thing. This next one is one I got more for my husband. Now, these are all the same size, I guess. And yeah, we got that. I should have put that back in there with the horsey. And then I got a pen and baggies. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and show you this so you can see a snippet. Here is the picture. There's only 48 colors on this one. I don't know how you close that back. Well, but it sure is bigger. Oh, no trading card in this one? Oh, that's sad. I like the trading card. Okay. This thing is heavy. There must be a lot of drills. Whoa. I tell you. How do I get this right? Okay. It seems like it's longer. Oh. I'm probably going to have to still take it off the thing and show y'all in my hand. Okay. Put that right there. Alright. My husband used to watch the trains. We used to watch them together too, but as you know, we went to the train museum here a while back. And you can see it's carrying a Christmas tree. Engine 18. And it's snowing. I'm gonna sit down so I can get all of this. Ted Blaylock is the artist. And it's 37.4 inches by 27.6 inches, or 94.8 centimeters by 69.9 centimeters. And as I told you, there are 48 colors. There's the 1Z, whatever that is, and there is 3 ABs. So, see if I can get how much I can get of it. There you go. It's another one I had to have. And yes, there are a lot of dark colors in it, but it's something we shared together when we were dating. We still share a love of trains together, and it's Christmassy. We do a lot of things around Christmas time, a lot of charitable things that we like to do. I'm uploading a video. And it's just something that, you know, and it's a beautiful painting. So I'll pull this over here. There's some grays, blues, and reds, and purples, and I'm sure there's black. Oh yeah, there's black. Yeah. Greens, navy blue, it looks like browns. So anyway, let me show you one more time that beautiful train carrying that Christmas tree. I think this is going to be my December project, unless Lazy Retired Granny has something that she has, she's thinking about doing. So anyway, that is my unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.